So, your doctor recommended you to use retinol for the anti-aging effect, or to treat dark spots, or maybe to treat acne. Retinol is indeed very beneficial for these conditions. Retinol is derived from vitamin A, which goes deep inside your skin, and it helps to neutralize free radicals. In this case, your skin will then boost collagen and improves elastin. However, retinols do come with side effects, and for some people, it is very irritating. So, common side effects are skin irritations, skin dryness, and photosensitivity. So guys, here are a must-dos while on retinol. So if you experience skin irritations, try to reduce the frequency to every other night. Remember to only put a pea-size amount because you don't really need a lot. For skin dryness, make sure to use a good moisturizer such as the CeraVe moisturizer at least 10 minutes after applying the retinol. And because retinols can make your skin sensitive to the sun, make sure to use a good moisturizer with at least SPF 30 and above. And guys, don't forget to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. So improvements in your skin such as wrinkles, dark spots, or acne can be seen in as little as 3 months. Guys, remember, if these side effects persist, please consult your doctor ASAP. Guys, as I always say, for any skin or hair concerns, do not self-diagnose, okay? Always talk to your doctor, a nurse, or a pharmacist. Peace!